Hi dear students, I am your Reshma teacher. So what we discussed in the last class? Place value, face value and the expanded form of a number. Today we are going to learn about the comparing number. We are going to learn about very interesting subtopic comparing numbers. You have already studied comparing number on the previous classes. So what is the comparing numbers? The comparing numbers means finding whether the number is greater than or less than or equal to the other number. You already studied less than, greater than or equal to sign to compare numbers. So in this class, we have studied some cases of the comparing numbers. First, we have to study one first case when the number of digits is different. So first case, when the number of digits is different. So I'll give you one example. So compare 927 and 2025. We will compare these two numbers. First, we have to arrange the numbers in the place value form. So, look at the first number. It is a 3-digit number. And look at the second number. It is a 4-digit number. So, arrange the number in the place value form. That means ones, tens and hundreds. The ones is 7, tens is 2 and hundreds is 9. And also write the second number in the place value form. That means ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The ones is 5, tens is 2, hundreds 0, thousands 2. So look at the question. 927 is a 3-digit number and 2025 is a 4-digit number. Okay, the number will more number of digits is the greater number than the other number. That means which is the greater number? This or this? The 4-digit number is the greater number. That means we will write 927 is less than 2025. Okay, what's the reason? The number will more number of digits is the greater number than the other number. All of you clear? Okay, the next we will go the next case when the number of digits is same. The second case is in when the number of digits is same. Okay, so let's write one example. So compare 2937 and 3027. So look at the question. Both numbers have the same number of digits and Other one is in 1000 places in different. Okay, so look at the question. First we have to write the numbers arranged in the place value form. So this is a 4-digit number. That means it has ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones place is in 7, tens place 3, 100 place 9, 1000 place 2. And look at this question. Also write the place value form: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The ones is 7, tens 2, hundreds 0 and 1000 3. Okay, so we can't solve this problem to above method, because on the above method the number of digits are different. So in this case the number of digits is same, so we can't do the problem to the above problem. Okay, that means on this the same number of digits is there, we will use the another method is there. We compare the number with equal digits. We compare each digit starting from the extreme left. Okay, we will check it has both has the same number of digit. If the same number of digit is there, we will look at the extreme left digit. What is the extreme left digit? That is in the 1000 place. Okay, the extreme left is in 1000 place. That means we will comparing the 1000 place. Okay, we will comparing the 1000 place. So in this question the 1000 place is in 2 and this number 1000 place is in 3. Which is the greatest number? 2 or 3? 3 is the greatest number. That means we will tell that 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. That means we will tell this is the biggest number as compared to 2937. So write 2937 is less than 3027. Okay? Okay. The second case is in same digits in the 1000 place. Same digits in the 1000 place. So I write the one question. Compare 6293 and 6725. So look at this question. Both have the 4-digit number. What I told you, first we have to arrange the number in the place value form. So both are 4-digit number. Then write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The ones is in 3, tens is in 9, hundreds is in 2 and 1000 is in 6. And similarly write the other number ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. 1000 is in 6, hundreds 7, tens 2 and ones 5. I already taught one method is there. We comparing the numbers with equal digits. We compare the number starting from the extreme left. The extreme left is in 1000. But the case is in the digit in the thousand place is in same. So look at this question. Digit in the thousand place is in same or equal. That means we can't tell which is the greatest number or which is the smallest number. So in this case, we will go the next step. That means we compare in the hundreds place. So in this case, we will go the next step, that is compare the hundreds place. So look at the 100 place. This is 2 and this is 7. That means compare 2 and 7. So which is the greatest number, 2 or 7? 7 is the greatest number. That means right, 2 is less than 7. What is 2 is less than 7. Clear? That means we will tell this is the greatest number as compared as 6,293. That is 6,293 is less than 6,725. All of it clear? So in this question, the hundreds place is in same. Then we will go the next step to compare the thousands, hundreds place. On this question, the thousands place is in same. Then we will go the next step. What is the step? To compare the hundreds place. Clear? Then next to go the next case, that is in the same digits in the thousands and hundreds place. Same digits in the 100 place. That means in this case, the hundreds and the thousand place must be in same. So I will give one example. So we can compare 7,924 and 7,992. So look at this question. First we have to write the place value form. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The ones is 4, tens is 2, hundreds 9, thousands 7. And also write the expanded form of this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, 2, tens, 9, hundreds 9, thousands 7. So look at this question. What I told, we compare the number with equal digits. We compare the number starting from the extreme left. So we will go the extreme left. Both digits is extreme left is in same because both are 7. Then what I tell, if the extreme left is the same digit, then we'll go the next place, that is in the hundreds place. So we will move the hundreds place. So look at the 100 place, 9, here 9. And also the problem is arises, both numbers have the same digit. So we can't tell which is the greatest number, so it is the smallest number. On this time, we will go the next step. That means we will compare the tens place. So look at the tens place. Here 2 and here 3. That means the tens place are in different. That means 2 and 9. Which is the greatest number? 2 or 9? 9 is the greatest number. That means 7,992 is the greatest number as compared as 7,924. Okay, that means 7,924 is less than 7,992. Okay, clear? Then, the next case, same digits in the thousand, hundreds and tens place. Same digits in the thousands, hundreds and tens place. So in this question, the thousand place, hundred place and tens place are equal. So I'll give an example. So compare 8,219 and 8,250. So comparing the digits 8,219 and 8,250. So look at the question. Both digits are the 4-digit number. And also look at here. Thousand, tens, hundreds and tens. That means the number 821. Here, so here the thousand place is in 8, then 100 place is in 2 and the tens place is in 1. That means these three numbers are equal. That means the extreme thousands, hundreds and tens are equal. Okay, then we will compare the last digits only. What is the last digit? That means the ones place. That means here the ones place is in 9. So here ones place is in 5. So we will compare the numbers 9 and 5. The comparing only 9 and 5. So it is the greatest number 9 or 5. It is the greatest number. That is 9 is the greatest number. That means 9 is greater than 5. So that means 8,219 is greater than 8,250. Next topic, writing numbers in order. So in this section, the numbers are arranged in the ascending order or descending order. So ascending order and descending order you have studied in the previous classes. So what is ascending order? Ascending order means the numbers is written in the smallest to biggest, and the descending order means the number can be written in biggest to smallest. So I'll write one example. So this is the numbers. These numbers can be arranged in ascending order and descending order. First we look at the number. So 493. It is a 3-digit number. Next 2927 is a 4-digit number. And next number 4219 is a 4-digit number. Then 4019 is a 4-digit number. So writing the number into ascending order, we will write the number in the smallest to biggest. So look at this number. These three are 4-digit number. This one is a 3-digit number. I already taught the number will more number of digits is the bigger number than the other number. That means 493 is the smallest number that we have to write first. Then less than. Then comparing other 3 numbers. So both are the 4-digit number. That means when the number of digits are same. Okay, when the number of digits are same. At that time, we will look at the extreme left digit. So all of you look at this extreme digit. This is 1000 places in 2 and this is 1000 places in 4 and this is the 1000 places. That is in also 4. That means the smallest number comparing to 4. The smallest number that is in 2. That means the next smallest number is 2927. 2927 is less than. Next we will compare these two numbers. 4290 and 4090. Okay, so all of you compare these two numbers. On this number, same number of digits, same digits in the 1000th place. This comparing these two numbers, same digits in the 1000th place. So we can't tell which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. At that time, what we'll do? What I told to compare the next digit, that means in the 100th place. So 100 place, here 2, here 0. Which is the greatest number? 2 or 0? 0 is the smallest number, 2 is the greatest number. That means 2 is greater than 0. That means write the next number is in 4019. And next number 4219. So this is the ascending order. So write the descending order. First write the biggest number. What is the biggest number? 4219. The symbol greater than. Next, the smallest number 4019. Then 2927. Next 493. So this is the descending order. All of you got it? Today we are discussing the comparing numbers and also writing the number in order. Any doubt is there? All of you clear this, sir? Thank you.